Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize a HubSpot deal pipeline. If this sounds useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and settings. Now that you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account, including the pipeline customization tools we need. Once the settings panel opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options listed. Scroll through this menu until you find the option labeled Objects and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing different object types within HubSpot, like contacts, companies, and deals. After clicking Objects, look at the top of the page where you'll see a drop-down menu that says Select an Object. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available object types. From the list that appears, click on Deals. This will take you to the area where you can manage everything related to your deal objects, including the pipelines. Next, you'll see another option at the top of the page labeled Pipelines. Click on this tab to access your pipeline settings. This is the main area where you can view and modify how your deal stages are organized and displayed. Now you'll notice another drop-down menu on this page. Click on it and you'll be able to select which specific pipeline you want to customize. If you have multiple pipelines set up in your account, they'll all be listed here, so choose the one you want to work on. Once you've selected your pipeline, you can start customizing it. For each stage in the pipeline, you have the ability to change the stage name, adjust the color, and modify the probability percentage. These settings help you organize your deals visually and track how likely each stage is to close. Simply click on any of these fields to edit them according to your needs. If you want to rearrange the order of your stages, you can do that easily by clicking and dragging any stage to a new position. This gives you complete control over the flow of your pipeline and ensures it matches your actual sales process. You can also remove stages that you no longer need. To do this, hover your mouse over the stage you want to remove, and you'll see a delete option appear. Click on Delete to remove that stage from your pipeline. If you need to add a new stage to your pipeline, look for the button that says Add Stage and click on it. This will create a new stage where you can input a custom stage name, choose a color, and set a probability percentage. This is useful when your sales process evolves and you need to track additional steps. Once you've made all your changes and everything looks exactly how you want it, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. This will apply all your customizations to the pipeline. Give it a moment to save your changes, and that's it. You've successfully customized your HubSpot deal pipeline to better match your sales process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.